How to clear cache on Thunderbird. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can clear cache on Thunderbird. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Thunderbird. After that, navigate to top right corner and tap on this three-line icon. From this menu box, head towards settings and then click on it. Under settings, you have to be on general, and under general, scroll down and there you'll have an option as disk space or network and disk space. So under the network and disk space, scroll down a bit, and under disk space you can simply clear your cache by clicking on clear now button. Or if you wish to clear cache and shutdown, you can also select this checkbox right here that says clear cache and shutdown. Or you also have another option in order to manage your cache automatic if the disk uses up to 250 MB or more than 250 MB. So you can automatically manage your cache when you click on this checkbox. So that's how you can clear cache on Thunderbird, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.